You know, Dr. Scally has said it, and so many others have said it. Let's see beyond politics on this one. Can it not be addressed? Could efforts not really be compounded now in order to come to some sort of agreement that would enable us to ensure quarantining across the island?
There is absolutely no lack of willingness on the part of the Irish government to do that.
If there's no lack of willingness, why are we closing the door on it?
We're not closing the door on it. The reality is that we have a multi-party system in the Northern Executive where, unfortunately, in some instances, politics seems to matter more than doing the right thing on issues like this. And for example, people come in
levelled at the government, that politics matters more.
It can't be legitimately levelled at the Irish government. We want to have an all-island approach. That is absolutely the most effective way of dealing with this and taking advantage of the benefit of being
what about
an
a
island.
two-island approach and, you know, involving
I think that's aspirational, and there have been, you know, initial discussions on that issue between the Taoiseach and the British Prime Minister. But it would be dishonest of us to hold that out as the great white hope and the solution to our problems in the short term. The reality is it is not, because having a two-island solution, you know, the situation with COVID in the UK is pretty serious as well.